Well, this is the first one of these videos I've done, so might be a show here, but oh well. Hey guys, one real quick thing before we get into this video. I need your help. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, and if you could do me a solid and hit the subscribe button down below, I'd really appreciate it. It would really help my channel out a lot. And yeah, enjoy the video. Thanks guys. If you could please subscribe to the channel by hitting that red button below, I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers right now, so if you could help me out and subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of stuff, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Enjoy the video. This is just like the worst day ever, dude! This is the worst day ever!
Heck yeah, dude! We're going 101 miles an hour.
Real good.
Unreal. You actually did 87.
Oh,
101!
Let's ride on the VMAX, bud. It's gonna be a good one.
This is a big moment.
Yeah.
We made it.
1.4 kilometers.
Yep. Wicked. Perfect.
I'm gonna guess 18 miles an hour. Oh, well, it screwed up, but it said 21.
21?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, let me try.
Got 23. Oh.
You just always lose.
Not good, boys. Not good. Oh, but here's where science. This is where science time is gonna come in, bud. What about science time? Yeah, it wasn't the plan.
Pisses me off.
Dude came out here, spent the big bucks because he couldn't stand the cow he had got worked. Hey guys, I just wanted to give a big thank you to any of you guys over the years who've, watched these videos, commented, subscribed, shared it. I really do appreciate it. I've been making videos on this channel for over 10 years, and I think it's been over 15 if you count my other old YouTube channel. It's been crazy, man. I was looking through all these clips here to make this video, all the clips of the different things I've done over the years, and some of the best times and most fun I've had in my life, also some of the worst times, crashing stuff, has been in these videos. It's awesome, man. It's crazy to think that over 1 million people have watched these videos. I know to most people, a lot of YouTubers, 1 million views is a joke. Like they upload 3 videos a week and they get 1 million on each video, so it's nothing to a lot of people. But to me, that's awesome, man. Like I try to think of 1 million people, like that's like stadiums and stadiums and stadiums filled with people. Like that many people watched these videos that I've just made over the years for fun. It's crazy, man. But yeah, I don't plan on stopping making any of these videos anytime soon. I really do love this. It's always been a dream of mine to make these videos full time and it kind of be a job thing for me. I guess it never really happened. It never really took off, but never say never, I guess. Hey, it's never too late. And this is where I need your help. So you guys who aren't subscribed, please subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Check out my other videos. I got I think we're knocking on 200 videos or something now on this channel. We got everything. We got sleds, bikes, trikes, quads, side-by-sides. We got everything here, man, over the years. So take a peek at the other videos if you haven't seen any of the other videos and this is your first time watching my channel. And leave a subscribe, leave a comment. I really appreciate it. I don't think I'll ever stop making these videos. So stay tuned for more. There will always be more. And let's get this channel big. It's been over 10 years. It's got to get big at some time, right? So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next video.
subscribe to the channel.